Hey there, nature enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into a topic that's all about understanding our society and the way we interact with each other. That's right, we were talking about the nature of sociology. So grab your backpacks because we were going on an intellectual hike through the world of sociological concepts. Let's go. Now before we jump right into the nitty-gritty, let's uncover the essence of sociology. In simple terms, sociology is the study of human society, its relationships, and patterns of behavior. It's like putting on a detective hat and deciphering the various components that make our society tick. Sounds intriguing, right? Imagine for a moment that society is this big jigsaw puzzle and sociology is a tool that helps us understand how every piece fits together. It explores the connections between individuals, social groups, and even entire cultures. It's like a social GPS that guides us through the complex maze of human interaction. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Alright, let's move on to some of the key concepts of sociology. These concepts play a significant role in the decoding the social world we inhabit. Brace yourselves, cause we were about to touch the tip of the sociological iceberg. First off, we have socialization. It's the process through which we learn the customs, values, and norms of society. From the moment we were born, we were like sponges, soaking up all the behaviors and beliefs that helps us interact into our community. It's fascinating to observe how our surroundings shape we are as individuals. Now let's take a closer look at power and social structures. Sociological explores how power is distributed within society and the impact it has on its various social groups. From gender and race to economic status, these structures shape our lives in countless ways. Understanding these dynamics empowers us to challenge inequalities and work towards a more equitable society. Movements and protests have historically been catalyzed for social change. They shed light on sociological issues and help us collectively challenge the status quo. By studying sociology, we gain the knowledge to become active participants in creating a better world. Lastly, let's talk about the sociological imagination. This concept encourages us to step outside of our personal experiences and view the world through a wider lens. It's about seeing the intersection between individual lives and broader social structures that shape them. The sociological imagination helps us understand that our personal troubles are often rooted in sociological issues. So why does all this matter? Well, developing a sociological imagination cultivates empathy and compassion and a deeper sense of connection to the world around us. It allows us to critically examine our own lives and the society we live in, ultimately paving the way for positive change. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the nature of sociology. Remember, sociology helps us unveil the complexities of human society, giving us the tools to create a more harmonious and just world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more thought-provoking videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.